Hello, today I'm going to show you how to basically upload your videos to YouTube and then being able to pull out the embed code to embed them onto your web page. So first thing you're going to do is you want to basically go to youtube.com. If you have an account, great, you can just log in. If you don't, on the upper right, there's create account sign in. So if you don't have one, of course, you can go ahead and click create account and you'll be able to create an account. Now, when you're creating a YouTube account, it's going to automatically get you to create a Google Plus account as well. They're all interconnected now. So basically, you'll just have to follow the steps and go ahead and basically fill that out. Once you're completed, you'll be able to go in and sign in to your actual account. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back into YouTube.com and I'm going to let myself get signed in. And then from here, at gmail.com. All right, so the one login basically gets you into Google Plus, YouTube, everywhere. So what we're going to do is I'm going to basically show you how to upload videos to your YouTube account. It's been created. So now all you got to do is you can go to you can create a channel, you can go to Video Manager, settings, all that good stuff. So for here, what we're going to do is we're going to go to Video Manager, and this will be all the videos that you will eventually upload. And then from here, all you have to do is click the upload button. Once you click the upload button, it will just basically ask you to select a file from your computer. And from there, basically just click on the file you're looking for and upload it into YouTube. All right, so basically, I'll just basically take you through the steps. Once it's uploaded, it'll tell you the file has been uploaded completely. Then what we're going to do is once everything, your images or videos have been uploaded to YouTube, go back to your settings and go to Video Manager. Now in Video Manager, basically, it will have all the videos you've uploaded. So for instance, if I want to look embedding scheduling to social site, I'm going to click on the little drop down beside the edit here and go to Info and Settings. Now within Info and Settings, you can basically change the title of your video. You can put a description. You can put your tags in here. Change your category if you like. Your video thumbnails. Now the privacy. This is really good because you can have it public for anyone to view or search for it. But if you don't want people to be able to search for it, so let's say you want to create curriculum videos for just your members. So basically what you can do is when anybody signs up for that curriculum, you can have an automated email set up in Perfect Line that will send them the link that they can view, but they will not be able to actually search for it. The other one that is good also, and of course basically as soon as you choose the unlisted, anyone with a link can view, it will actually give you the link for you to basically send out to people so they can watch that particular curriculum. The other one of course is to set them as private, but the problem with that is you have to go in and basically enter the user every time into the system, so that's a little bit annoying. The best way to do it is have it where it's just unlisted and everything is automated in Perfect Mind, so when anybody basically registers as a member, this email can go out to them with the video basically links within it. The other basically settings, basically a license, you don't have to worry about comments. Basically if you want people to be able to allow comments with approval only, no comments, allow comments automatically. Same as the voting, allow, don't allow, video responses, allow, don't allow. The embedding, this is really neat because basically it will allow or disallow people from embedding your videos on their website. So if that's something that you want to avoid, you can basically just say no to that and it will not basically allow them to embed videos on their website using your videos, of course. So now that we've covered the settings for each video, let's go back to the video manager, and let's go to the actual page. All right, so let's say, for instance, this is a video I want to embed on my social site. So you'll see that the video will be here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mute it. All right, so basically below the video you have a like, add to, and share button. If you click on the share, you're going to get a few more. It's going to give you the link to the actual YouTube video or the embed. The embed is what we want. Now, as soon as you click on embed, you'll see a few other selections as well. Now, the nice thing about here is there's a checkbox for show suggested videos when the video finishes. Now, the problem with this, if you have a martial arts school, let's say in Tampa, Florida, as soon as your video finishes, if you have this box checked, it's going to show basically related videos. So basically, it could be your competitors' videos are now basically being able to play it on your web page because of this checkbox. So I usually tell people to uncheck this. That way, any related videos will not be there for people to view and then go into somebody else's videos. So a good idea is to basically uncheck the show related videos. Unless you really want to leave it, then go ahead, but just heads up that you might get some videos after yours finished playing with a selection at the bottom that they can actually choose a related video to watch. So check it, try it with both settings on if you like. But what I'm talking about is basically this. If the related checkbox is checked, basically when you get to the end of the video, it's going to give you the other selections to choose from. So I've got this show suggested videos when the video finishes. So as soon as this video finishes, it's going to basically come up with related videos that you can actually choose from. And that's what I'm saying. Some of these might be your competitors' videos that are basically there for other people to view. So if somebody's maybe, you know, checking out your school and then they come across that video, maybe not the best idea. So here you go. So these would all be now related videos. So if I go ahead and uncheck this box now, and then I go back and I replay this guy, you're going to see now that at the end of this video, we're not going to have any of those related videos. So as soon as this finishes, it's going to not give us all these different related videos things coming up. So basically what you want to do is uncheck the box. Now basically depending on what size you would like, you can choose a size and that will automatically add it to your embed code, or you could do a custom. So if you're going to add it to the sidebar or something, it can be just a little guy. You can do 250 by, let's say, 190 for instance. And we got our embed code, and this is the code that we want. So we just go ahead and copy that. And now we can go into the web page. Let's say we're going to edit right there. Let's go to edit. Now, the one thing about this is we have to embed in the HTML part of it. So what I normally do to make sure I know where I am, I usually put my cursor where I want the video. So let's say it's there. Let's say I'm going to center it now. I want it in the center of my window. So I'm going to go ahead and center this guy. I'm going to put it here, and then I'm going to put video. That's my marker. So once I've got this, I'm going to go ahead and go to HTML. And now in the text, I'm going to look for my particular little tag I left, which is video. As you can see, here it is, video by itself. So now if I highlight video and I paste my coding I grabbed, it's going to put the iframe coding off YouTube in here. So now if we go back to design, there's the video that we placed. So if I save this guy out and go back to my web page, I now will be able to view my video. And now you'll be able to see that when the video ends, there will be no related videos for people to choose from. And that's it for this one, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you. As you can see, there are no related videos to choose from, and that is because we unchecked that checkbox. Alright, so that is basically uploading a YouTube video, basically removing the search so nobody can search for the video on YouTube, and embedding it right into your website. That's it. Thank you.